Did you know strawberries have superpowers? Yes, you heard it right. These juicy, heart-shaped delights aren't just pleasing to the palate, they also carry an array of health benefits. Imagine a small fruit packed to the brim with vitamins and fiber. It's a powerful package indeed. But that's not all. Strawberries also contain high levels of antioxidants known as polyphenols. These compounds are superheroes in their own right, battling the villains of disease and aging within our bodies. And the best part? Strawberries come without the baggage of sodium, fat, or cholesterol and are surprisingly low in calories. So, the next time you're hunting for a tasty snack that's also good for you, remember the mighty strawberry. It's not just a fruit, it's a superfruit, packed with nutritional goodness and ready to help you fight the good fight for health. You might be thinking, well, that's great, but how do strawberries benefit me? Stay tuned to find out. Strawberries are more than just a sweet treat. They're small powerhouses of health, packed with benefits that can surprise you. Let's dive into it, shall we? For starters, these ruby red delights are a great way to boost your immune system. They're brimming with vitamin C, which is known to enhance immune function and ward off common illnesses. But that's not all. Strawberries are also fantastic for managing blood pressure, thanks to their high potassium content. Potassium helps balance out the negative effects of sodium, maintaining a healthy blood pressure level and reducing the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget the high fiber content. This aids in digestion, keeping your gut healthy and happy. Finally, the antioxidants in strawberries work wonders for your skin. These powerful substances help fight off harmful free radicals, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. Isn't it amazing how much good a little berry can do? Embrace the strawberry superpowers and let them work their magic on your health. If you're intrigued by the superpowers of strawberries, there's so much more to explore. Imagine a place where you can uncover the fascinating world of health and wellness, a place that is committed to bringing you credible and engaging information. That place is the Altruist YouTube channel. Our mission is simple: to help you lead a healthier, happier life. We delve into a variety of topics to keep you informed and inspired, from revealing the hidden superpowers of everyday foods like strawberries, to sharing practical fitness tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. We strive to present a comprehensive guide to healthier living that is both informative and enjoyable. But we're not just about providing information. We're about creating a community of health enthusiasts who are eager to learn, grow, and share their experiences. So why not be a part of it? Join us on this journey toward healthier living. Subscribe to The Altruist for more such informative videos. Uncover the superpowers of everyday foods with us.